Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these witch profile earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Roll out a ball of yellow clay. Be sure to flip it over and roll the other side too. You don't want to make it too thin. This will be the backing for our earrings. Take a ball of black clay and form it into a triangle shape. Make all three tips come to a point. Place this on one side of the yellow clay. Make another one and place it on the other side of the clay. Take a small ball of black clay and flatten it between your fingers. Place this on the yellow clay directly below the hat. Roll out a thin piece of black clay and form it into a U shape. Place this on one side of the witch head. Don't press it into place yet. This will be our witch's nose. Take another piece of rolled out black clay, this time slightly thicker, and make it into a U shape. Place this below the witch's nose. This will be our witch chin. Use your needle tool to gently set it into place. And then pat it into place. Repeat for the second witch head. Use the flat side of your tissue blade and smooth out all the black pieces so that they are all connected and seamless. If you're enjoying this video or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday, and 31 videos for the month of October. Roll out a long, thin piece of black clay. Cut off small sections and place at the back of the witch head. This will be our witch's hair. Since my witch will be flying, I want my hair to be thin and wispy and just kind of go all over the place. You know, she's gonna have that windblown look riding on that witch's broom. Make sure your witch's hair is placed where you'd like it before patting it down into place. Use a piece of rolled out black clay and place it at the base of the witch's head. This is just to make it look fuller at the bottom. I've decided to add one more piece of hair to my witch's head. Use a circle cutter and cut out your witch's head. Be sure you have the circle placed on the clay how you'd like it before cutting it out. I want my witch directly in the center, if at all possible. Once you have cut them out, make a hole at the top of each earring. This will be for our jump ring after we bake it. Be sure to press through the hole, through the front and the back. This is so that the hole will be large enough and so that the clay doesn't bunch on one side. Bake and resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, you'll need 2 jump rings and an earring hook. And these are your witchy witch earrings when they're done. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please check back tomorrow and every day for the month of October. I am posting 31 videos in celebration of Halloween. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!